Welcome to Cooking Ben, where we're cooking up a much-loved classic, orange chicken.
香橙陳皮雞
If you've ever enjoyed Panda Express's famous dish, you know exactly what we're talking about. It's a dish that always makes people smile, and today, we're adding our own special touch with some Cantonese-style charm. Chef Ben has chosen chicken breast as the star of our dish, but feel free to use your favorite cut, whether it's dark meat, white meat, or a mix of both. The way we prepare it stays the same no matter what you pick. Now, when it's time to cut the chicken, Chef Ben suggests going for rectangles instead of squares. Why, you ask? Well, not only does it make the dish look fancier, but it also makes it easier for those who aren't chopstick masters to pick up their tasty bites.
如果你順佢紋切咧，佢就會係比較好鞋嘅嚇。咁我哋咧就係打橫紋切嚟到切佢。
Plus, cutting the chicken against the grain ensures it's super tender every time you take a bite. Let's talk about the marinade. A teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder,
雞粉啦，一個茶匙嘅雞粉，
half a teaspoon of salt,
半個茶匙嘅鹽就夠啦。
3 teaspoons of cornstarch,
咁啊一個湯匙嘅鷹粟粉，
and a teaspoon of garlic powder.
一個茶匙嘅蒜粉。
We're leaving the garlic powder out of the sauce to let the chicken soak up all that yummy flavor.
因為嗱，你落少少蒜粉落咧就香口啲噶啦。
Add a couple of spoons of water to bring everything together, but be careful not to make it too watery. Otherwise, your ingredients won't stick. Now, instead of the usual dry potato starch mixture, Chef Ben has a special batter recipe. 3 big spoons of potato starch,
呢個係薯仔粉，好滿嘅，3個湯羹。
1 big spoon of cornstarch,
跟住咧，我哋係落1個湯羹嘅鷹粟粉，
and a teaspoon of baking powder.
拋打粉。拋打粉咧就唔好落咁多啦，拋打粉咧我哋係落1個茶匙就夠啦。
Just remember to go easy on the baking powder. Too much and your crispy coating might fall apart. Add water a little at a time until you get a smooth, slightly sticky mixture.
嗱，我哋加咗啲水咧，你睇到咧喺呢度大約係半個飯碗嘅水啦，你睇到佢稀就唔係稀，結就唔係結，點解會咁講咧？因為咧佢係我哋係落得嗰個薯仔粉係多噶嘛，你一靜止咗佢咧，佢就會好結噶啦。但係如果你一撈散咗佢咧，依家就好稀啊。
Coat your chicken generously with this batter, making sure each piece is nicely covered. Let it hang out for about 30 minutes to let all those flavors mingle. While the chicken gets cozy, let's whip up the sauce. Start by prepping some tangerine peel, easy to find at your local Asian market. Remove the seeds and white stuff, then chop or blend it up however you like. Chef Ben goes for a dice to release all those delicious smells. Next, grab a dry chili for a bit of heat. Remember, some are spicier than others, so pick one that suits your taste. And there you have it. With the sauce ready and the chicken marinated, we're all set to fry up a batch of mouth-watering Cantonese-style orange chicken. Let's get cooking! Fire up the chicken with medium heat. Wait until the chicken is floating in the oil with fewer bubbles popping up. That means your chicken is almost done for the first fry.
未熟㗎，佢依家仲有少少㗎，仲有少少先熟㗎。
Wait for about 1 minute, then we can proceed with the return fry to make it nice and crunchy.
係再打一次，佢依家打完之後咧，佢會淋翻㗎，你睇到咧係淋翻。我哋再打一次。
Once the fire reaches medium temperature, pour in 2 spoons of oil, then add the red chili. If the oil is too hot, the red chili will turn black easily.
嗰啲油唔好太過熱喎，啊。
After 30 seconds, remove the chili from the wok.
陳皮，落埋啲水。
Begin with tangerine peel mixed with a small cup of water. Then add 1 bowl of vinegar, 2 spoons of soy sauce,
個湯羹嘅生抽，跟住咧我係落糖，糖咧我係落3個湯羹，
3 spoons of sugar,
1個茶羹嘅雞粉。
and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. If you want to learn the technique of cooking, Chef Ben always suggests trying it out and tasting it while cooking. This is the best way to learn and become more professional. Later, add thickness to the sauce by using potato starch and water. Here's another trick. Bring the temperature to medium-low, gradually adding the potato starch mixed with water until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. You'll have plenty of time to mix it, so take your time and don't rush. Pour the chicken into the sauce and mix well.
呢度有辣椒啦，咁如果你話嗰啲辣椒多與少就冇所謂啦。有啲人好中意食呢啲辣椒㗎，啊，咁啊撈勻咗佢，加少少油，
Add a little oil to enhance the flavor.
等佢擰身啲。 咁就得啦，唔使拋啊！你唔好拋鑊啊！
Your cooking should be ready in about a minute. After plating, garnish with sesame seeds, green onions, and nuts on top. Enjoy your favorite Canton-style orange chicken. Thank you for tuning in to Cooking Ben. We'll be sharing new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give our video a thumbs up.